You're watching Live to Fish.
All right, thanks, man. Welcome back to Live to Fish. And I know that I promised you an unboxing. I really wanted to show off some purchases that I made, but something kind of came up. Late last night, I had a call from tournament angler Randy Burr, who invited me out on his bass boat. He called me last night. He says, hey, I know this is short notice, but would you mind coming out with me fishing tomorrow? I said, of course not. Of course I'll go with you. So we had a good day out on Lake St. Clair today, and I'm going to give you some of that footage. But first, the unbagging that I had kind of got unbagged already because, well, we had to use some of the product. And yes, this bag is full of the Megabass Dark Sleeper. So we're going to go through some of the colors and stuff in this. I'm going to do something pretty special coming up, though. There is another unboxing, but what I want to do is kind of compare these Dark Sleepers to another company's Dark Sleeper variant. But let's take a look at what's inside those baits. I don't think anybody's ever showed you exactly how these are put together, how the keel weights work, and just what's inside these things. That's coming up. Real quick, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Subscribe to Live to Fish, like this video, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. Lets you know we put out new videos. So let's take a look and see just how good we did today on Lake St. Clair. Welcome back to Live to Fish. We are out here on Lake St. Clair, and I've been absolutely blessed with the ability to fish out here today with Randy Burr, who invited me out here. We're going to get on some bass today and see how it goes. It's supposed to be some chance of some scattered thunderstorms. Waters are a little choppy, but I think we're going to do all right. Let's get on some bass.
Big ass.
Oh, perch.
Yeah, man. I was going to say, almost on my line went slack.
Not bad.
And I'm like, wait a minute, what are you doing? That's usually a smallmouth thing.
Well, good to see. Follow the bait fish.
A few hundred more of those and you got a meal.
There you go. I think it's a perch. Yep. Hey, it's I'm on the board now.
That's right.
I'll take it. It's a dink.
As far as Lake St. Clair perch go, that's a good one.
Alrighty.
Little one from Lake St.
Little perch on the Ned rig. But hey, the bait fish are here. That's a good sign.
Perch.
Hey, they're here.
Man.
That's a good thing.
Fishing for the wrong things today.
Right? Have to do a panfish episode here.
Yeah.
Oh,
Another one.
here we go. A little snag action, but I got him.
That's 3 right here. Where are them smallies?
Here we go.
Can't see too far. Too far.
And I'm going to switch up to the Dark Sleeper in a minute here.
Yeah.
I'm going to give the Ned rig a little bit more time.
Perch are definitely here.
That's good.
Smashed every time. That's a smallie.
All right, let me know if you need a net.
That one's a smallie.
On the drop shot.
Nope, walleye.
Oh, wow.
That's a walleye on the drop.
Nice.
It's a good walleye too.
Yeah, it is. Good
Still
job.
not what we're after, but come here.
Better than the perch, though.
Alright. I just put that bait on too.
Yeah, I hate the toothy critters,
Can't lip
man.
these guys.
Oh, no.
That
was good.
get. There you go. Wait out there. Not bad eating.
Yeah, not bad at all.
I'd rather have some bigger ones, but
Yeah, good job.
we're getting closer to the game fish that we're looking for.
Well, the bite's getting better. That's the thing. A little bit of sunshine. Oh, got some.
Get one?
Oh, he's off now. I would say that would be a little bit better sized perch based on the fight on that. Well, there's definitely something happening here.
Nope, that's not a walleye. That is what we're looking for.
Nice.
There we are. Finally. That's what we're looking
Good
for.
job.
Finally.
On the board of the smallie.
A little smaller than what we're looking for, but that's what we're looking for. I'll let you go, I promise.
That was almost a quick release there.
Go.
And they're feisty this time of year too.
The smaller ones are the worst.
Yeah. Good work.
Smaller ones are the worst. Finally, that's not right species, wrong size.
Nice job.
Look, that sucker. Big old perch. Now that was the
Whoa.
most perch I've ever seen. I mean, he just grabbed it and ran.
Inhaled it, eh?
Yeah.
Come on.
Come on, be a big brown one.
I don't know.
Oh yeah. That's a
Nice.
Big, that's a big largemouth. He's lost. That's a nice largie. Look at that. And look,
Not
he just
bad.
shifted over to the Ned rig.
Not bad.
Coppertruse.
Yep. About time.
Great color.
Oh.
I think you got the biggest one of the day.
Got a real fish.
Got a real one.
Make sure I'm recording. Yeah, I was recording and then I stopped recording and I'm recording again.
All
Good
right.
deal.
Bigger than that smallie I caught.
I don't know about that.
Yeah, it's bigger than that smallie I caught.
All right, I'll take it.
On the net.
Not bad at all. Yeah, it was like dead weight too.
Yep.
I was at first I was like, I'm not so sure. I knew it wasn't a smallie though. There was no big blast to it.
Well, these smallies ain't been picking it up like that. They've been just like that. It's like heavy.
Kind of going limp.
Just heavy weight. Yep.
Yeah.
You know,
Yep. Set it.
I don't set it. Well, the Ned. Well,
Not bad. See,
I
buddy.
just kind of reel down, just reel real fast and pull instead of setting the hook. Because with a drop shot, you'll pull.
You'll yank
rip it free.
Yeah. Well, that one, when I set it, set real well. That was the first time I didn't like skin hook them on the top of the mouth. It got in the meat there, so.
Is that on the side?
No, right up the roof of the mouth.
Was it?
Yep. Not bad. One decent fish so far. There's another one.
You're on them now.
That's a smallie.
Oh yeah.
Not a big one.
Got a brown one.
Sweet. All right, Ned gets it done again.
Just got in.
There we go.
Grass, dude. There you go.
He put up a better fight than the largemouth did.
Yeah, and that one's smaller, right?
That's funny. Yeah, they do put up a good
When you
fight.
get a largemouth that's over 5, they pull good too.
I can't wait.
Very good.
I can't wait. All right, buddy. Thanks.
When they come up, eat off the surface and grab the trout. We did a lot down there. It's hard to get their top water all day, every day.
Yeah. Well, as you can see, it was kind of a Perch Fest 2021 is what I called it when we were out there on the water. But it was still a good day. We got some smallies, got a largemouth. Like I said, got some perch, kind of a multi-species day, and it was a nice walleye that you got there. Not too bad, Randy. Good job. And again, thank you very much, Randy, for having me out there today. I really appreciate that. Hope we can do it again soon sometime. Also a reminder, don't forget to get into that 300 subscriber giveaway going on right now. I'll leave a link to that video, which explains exactly how you get in on it, down below. So until next time, be safe, be well, and as always, live to fish. Take care, everybody.